So we've hiked to the top of the waterfall. Beanie's now acclimatising. And we should be going for a little dip in there. It looks absolutely amazing. Watch this space. Yeah, man! Yeah! Yes! Well done, Beanie! Out today with Beanie on the kayak. Down here in Barmouth. And we're spotting loads of jellyfish, the size of a football as well. Honestly, I've been doing some paddling as well, it's not all Beanie.
Lie! No, I'm ready.
If we see some more, we'll try and get some footage for you. So we've come to our first little stop. Stunning little alcove. Quickly show you around. There's Beanie, having a little dip in the water. Looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it, eh? So we've got a seal. Literally just there, I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah. Hello beautiful people, so me and Beanie is up there. We're on the Watkin Path this morning, absolutely stunning waterfalls. I think we should go for a dip, shouldn't we? Yes! Woo! Here we go! Got him, mate. Yes, Beanie.